Hey, I'm Sam and I do design, and in the video today, I got the new iPad. It has been a roller coaster of a day. I spent the last 3 hours after work today filming an amazing video for you guys. It was going to break the internet. It was going to change the whole world of design. But my microphone didn't work, so I can't show you that video of my summary of the iPad Pro that I got today. So now I'm in my flat in London, but I just wanted to take you guys through my first thoughts about the iPad, from the unboxing experience to using it for the first few times today. First things first, the unboxing experience was perfect, just like Apple do every single time. I can show you some of the footage maybe, but there's just no sound. So that was great. Turning on the iPad for the first time, you get to see that huge screen. That was amazing, but this was the issue. I couldn't sync to iCloud, and the iCloud backup that I had of my old iPad, I tried for about 3 hours at work today, but it just wasn't going through. It said it was going to take 2 days, 3 days in the estimated time, and I didn't have that much time to waste. So I set it up as a new iPad and then downloaded everything manually after that. So I downloaded the main things first. So Procreate, Sketchbook, Lightroom, and Netflix. They were the first things to go onto my iPad today. So they are loaded in now. And on that screen, they look absolutely fantastic. All of those apps are amazing. Procreate 4.2 has just come out, and I did a huge video on layer masks because Procreate 4.2 includes layer masks for the first time. So you'll have to wait for a little bit for that video to drop so I can re-record it again. Really frustrating because I spent 3 times recording it already because the footage on the iPad kept being lost from the iOS screen recording feature. So I've actually already done that video 3 times for you guys, but I can't show you any of it. So the iPad that I got today was the 12.9 inch 2018 256GB version. It is super thin, super amazing, super expensive. My god, this is not for the faint-hearted. Getting an iPad like this is a huge investment for me especially, but you don't need to go for something this fancy if you're just getting into digital sketching. So at the end of my video that I filmed today, I pretty much summed it up as this: you should upgrade to this iPad if you have a 10.5 inch iPad or a 9.7 inch iPad Pro and you're looking for a bigger screen. This fits the bill perfectly for you if you've got the money to spend on it. If you've already got the 12.9 inch iPad Pro, maybe you're looking for some new features like the charging Apple Pencil. Maybe that's what you're into, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend the full price just for that feature. The other thing is, if the budget doesn't quite stretch to this, because I know it is very expensive, the 2018 iPad, just the iPad, compatible with the Apple Pencil 1, is such an amazing iPad for the price. And I tried it in the Apple Store a few weeks ago, and if you didn't tell me that it wasn't an iPad Pro, I don't think I would have guessed for quite a long time. So that is an amazing budget iPad if you want to get into digital sketching for the first time, that you can carry portable with you everywhere. I know there are all sorts of budget tablets out there like the Wacoms and Cintiqs that you could plug into a computer, but then it's not portable and you don't have Netflix with you everywhere. But seriously, the main upgrade for me is the screen size. So that's the biggest thing that I was after, and also the Apple Pencil charging from the top. I can show you guys now. So here is the Apple Pencil as well with the groove in it. Is that going to focus? Nope. So a blurry Apple Pencil. It's focusing on my face, so you can see it there. So it's got the groove in it that means that actually it can sit on top of the iPad like this. Let me try this again. I don't want to drop this iPad. So we've got the Apple Pencil here, and that's going to snap on top like this. And then you can see here that it's got the percentage of the Apple Pencil in there as well, which is really handy. And let me tell you guys, it is not going anywhere. This thing, no matter how much you shake it, it's stuck. It's perfectly stuck, which is really nice. I was a little bit scared, but I saw Jonathan Morrison doing that in a video yesterday, so I'm really relieved to know that it's not going to fall off after placing it like that. All in all, today has been an emotional experience, from first being so happy about getting the iPad, to filming while I'm at the studio, to then finding out that all the audio didn't work, to trying to do a video in my room really quietly. But guys, the next few weeks, this thing is going to be so fun. I've got so many things to show you. I'm going to re-record the layer masks video for you guys. I'm going to do that as soon as possible so I can release it, because Procreate 4.2 with the layer masks is going to change the game. It's seriously so cool. I'm just really sorry I can't share that feature with you right now. So I want to hear your thoughts on the iPad Pro. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's a big enough improvement? Do you think it's going to change the game of the iPad? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you learned anything new in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell button if you want to see all the hints, tips and tricks for the iPad Pro in the future. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.